Hi, sir, madam. I'm Eden Tesoro, 42 years old, married with two kids, ages 20 and 21. I am college graduate. I took a Bachelor of Science in Industrial Education. I have 7 years work experience in Hong Kong with two employers. My first employer is a Chinese. There are five members in the family. They were all adults. My main duties is to do all the household work, including grocery shopping and car washing. My second employer is the Chinese. There are four members in the family. The couple and the two kids ages 5 and 7 years old. My main duties is to take care of the kids, to bring the kids to school and fetch them from school, and do all the household work, including car washing. My third employer is a Russian. I worked with them for 8 years as a nanny. There are five members in the family, the couple and the three kids. The eldest is 11 years old, second is 3 years old, and the youngest is 1 year old. My main duties is to take care of the kids, to bring the kids to the park and prepare the kids for their meal. I also do all the household work, including taking care of the pet because they have one dog and grocery shopping. Sir, madam, please choose me as your helper because I am honest, reliable, and hardworking. I promise to finish my contract and renew again as long as you need me. Thank you very much and have a good day.